Boom! Winter hits and bam! You're taken down by a nasty cough and cold. But hey, Mother Nature's got your back. First up, honey, this sweet nectar is not just a treat. It's a throat soother and cough suppressor. Mix a tablespoon into warm water or tea and feel the magic work. Next, chicken soup. Grandma was right. It's not just comfort food, it's a cold fighter. That warm, steamy broth clears nasal congestion and hydrates you. Lastly, don't forget the power of a good old-fashioned steamy shower. The steam loosens secretions in your nose and chest, making you breathe easier. So the next time you're grappling with a cold, remember, nature is your best pharmacy. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.